Alright, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Lovely to see you. Black Friday came, Black Friday went, we spent our money, and now I'm so excited to tell you how that I finally upgraded my beautiful little 100D who's lasting me so long, still going so strong. Kit lenses. Going to see the pictures that I've taken with some of the kit lenses that I've had with this little baby Canon 90D, which is actually videoing me right now. I had Revo Pics or Revolution Photography or my personal page at NavJam. So this video is about me unboxing this little baby that I picked up on Black Friday, called it the Canon 90D. Wasn't a great special. I mean, it was 1,000 somewhat rands less than the actual cost of it. So yeah, I did save 1,000 rand, which kind of helped me buy a new flash, which I needed, which is good. But at the end of the day, people were questioning, look, I know I posted about me going to Sony, which was really what I wanted to do. I'll be honest, I'm really impressed with Sony's eye tracking and their ability to take some really good shots. But at the end of the day, we got to look at what our budget is, and my budget landed me with this beautiful Canon 90D. So I'm excited. Thank you so much for tuning in. You don't forget to like and subscribe and follow and post and repost and retweet and do all of that while I get to you to do this Canon 90D unboxing, which has just come back right now. Cool, see you then. All right, get the trusty pocket knife and let's do this so that we don't damage the boxes. All right, there you go. You guys ready for this? And yep. All right, so we have the thick little book. I knew that was gonna come. We have a charger. All right, so that's your normal. This is the nice big battery charger right there. Comes with a battery. There is the, and oh wow, that's some neat little cap that you got on top. After use, so this is just to secure your battery after use. All right. This is your power cord for the battery. A beautiful EOS 90 strap. Nice. I like that. All right. Let's move out of that. Let's move that this side. And here she comes. So you can move that out of the way. Oh yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That is my new camera. Oh my word. Look how beautiful this is. I mean, this is amazing. This is fantastic. Alright. Look at that. Feels really good in the hand. Solid in the hand. Good film feel on this side. A bit of a different kind of feel compared to the 90D, which is more glossy. This is more matte and full on. Yeah. Let's check it out. Alright, oh yeah, so yeah, I'm so excited now. So you've seen that. This is how it looks, quite nice. We're gonna try and put the battery in right now, and we're gonna read the instructions. And yeah, I mean, that's the battery. I mean, what I liked about it was, when I read the review, was the card section is on the side and the battery is here, and it's got a little lip, so if you got a stand that you're holding on, you can still change batteries. You don't have to remove it from the stand. And so yeah, I mean, we're learning together. That clips in beautifully. So pop it open, card goes in facing you, and close. So that's the card in there now. Battery's down there, and yeah, so the switch to switch on is there. I'm different to my other ones. Sorry, I'm learning with you, right? So we're gonna open the flap. That's what I liked about it, was the flap. Twist that way and twist it towards me so I can see what's going on. Oh, here we go. So that's the on button, and change the battery pack. Oh, so the battery's dead, so we're not going to be able to play with it right now. So we'll charge the battery.
If the time is right, I know you've been waiting, baby. So I'm gonna get
Yeah, so I got to charge it. So we got 100% battery life, and now we're gonna play around a little with this guy. I mean, so to start off with, the screen. So compared to the 100D, which I had previously, was just a flat screen. Now you have a screen that is much more able to play around with and view. Yeah, so, and then obviously the top layer, as you see there, the 100D doesn't have screen that's on top, and that really helps, especially when you're videoing, when you're taking pictures from a higher area, looking down onto your camera. That is a huge difference in how you actually use the camera. So the on and off switch compared to the 100D is actually on the left hand side, kind of the right hand side, and as well as the mode setting. And that's when we put it on. So first thing, it's asking to set the time and date, which we will do later on, so that there's not much time wasted. And we're back into the same screen that you would normally find on any Canon camera. What's interesting to note is that the way that you change the dial is you got to press this down and then turn it. So you can't just do a normal twist and turn on the 100D. So it's got a bit more effort into it. I mean, I like to shoot on manual, so I'll keep that on manual so that I have full control over what I'm using. Yeah, I mean, I've got my 50mm 1.8 at the moment on, and so we can take that out and just to see. So what I like about it was the fact that the different modes, which we'll go through, and you can see other videos, but this idea was just more on the, like, if you heard that, I said that on continuous mode, and that is super fast compared to what I'm used to. And so let's get that. That's like super quick, and you can actually see how that looks. I mean, that's the camera 100D that I'm set up with. I don't know how clear that is on camera. Yeah, so well, I mean, already what I feel is it much more control of the camera. The 100D is one of the smallest DSLRs available. This one much more stronger and feel grippy. I mean, I don't have any other camera that has this kind of grip feel. I love the fact that sound that it actually makes when you take the picture. I mean, that's just crazy. And then you can hear the clicks. Look at this. Ooh, the 10 frames per second. On the if you're using the active live viewer, you actually go to 11 frames per second, and that's just crazy, crazy fast on one of these. So it's going to help me a lot on moving up. So I'm going to learn much more about this, watch some more videos. I know one of the things it says that it has a microphone jack as well as a audio headphone jack, which is cool for videoing. It also has an HDMI output, and obviously the rest of the outputs. Yeah, so that's, I think, pretty much what I wanted to show on this unboxing. And as you go through it, I'll put more videos of me taking some amazing shots with this little guy. I know this weekend I've got a photo walk that's happening, so I'm going to be checking that out to see how it goes. Yeah, I know you can hear some sounds of camera changing. That's because I'm using my 100D with the standard kit 1855, and that automatic autofocus. So yeah, that's a problem. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow on Instagram at Revolution Photography, on Instagram at NazJam, and you can see much more of these videos with my new cameras. Yeah, the other thing is I've also bought a brand new flash, and I was going to unbox this as well for you. It is the Yongnuo, I think that's how you say it, YN685 in the gold box. And so when you open it up, you've pretty much got the actual booklet. So the inside is the booklet, and yeah, I'm gonna open this up. So nicely packed, nice feel, nice good solid Yongnuo casing. Open up the case, and you're gonna find the actual flash Speedlight. Put that away, put that away. Yeah, this is how it looks. And what I like about that is the new type of locking system. So that locking system, I'm going to read much more about it, is not the normal twister. It's got a rubber band right at the bottom here, and you press that to lock, and so that just locks it in place. So no more screwing on the hot shoe. That's really cool. But that's just the basic feel of it. And inside, obviously, it comes with the stand, which I don't know if a lot of people actually use the stand to, per se. That goes in there. And we'll just put in some of the, so it takes alkaline batteries. Oh, it comes a little, goes that way, plus, minus, plus, plus, minus. Give it a shut. And it's got actually a setting called lock and on. There we go, Yongnuo. It's set on ETTL. We can just attach it to our big boy here. And that's pretty flash. And then to hook it on and lock it, you just press and locked. And that is fairly solid. Fairly solid. Got a little shake, but I don't think you're gonna shake that much. And yeah, I mean, it's so let's bounce the light towards the back of me, because we don't need so much of light. And that's what kind of pictures you're gonna take with that. So compared to the first one I showed you, that flash just changes the game, man. That's a Super ETTL, so it's registering as 1.5.